Okay, we're here at Sheraton Vistana Village Resort in Orlando, and I'm gonna give you a little room tour before my family comes in and messes it all up. We have a 2-bedroom suite. We're in one of the newly renovated buildings, so this is building 25. We're in room 307. Okay, so this is when you first walk in the door. We have a little kitchen here. And then you have your laundry of washer and dryer in your suite. You have a nice kitchen table with a little booth here. And then you've got your living room. This is also a pull-out couch, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Got your window here, little TV in the living space. And then you have 2 doors. One is a closet. It's this one. So you have vacuum, laundry basket, that kind of stuff. Actually, they're both closets, I lied. Here's the family. I'm vlogging a room tour. Okay, here is one of the bathrooms. You got super nice shower, bathroom, tub. We've got shampoo, conditioner, all that jazz. A lovely photo of someone swimming above the toilet. I love this giant mirror. This is amazing. And then we've also got the bedroom in here. So you have 2 beds side by side here, a TV. You have a nice big closet in here too. So you got big old closet, 2-door closet. Dresser. You have a nice little window, and we're actually right next to the elevator. We're gonna go this way. Coco's already made himself at home here. Okay, this is the master bedroom right here. So we've got I think this is a king size bed, it should be. We have a very big bathroom in here, it looks like.
Behind the door.
And then we have a lovely pool view, right, Finn? Yeah, is that the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, are they swimming?
Yeah.
It's pretty rainy outside. The resort, I feel like the hot tub's over there. We've got a nice big pool. It's not super crowded, I think because of the weather today, but it's really beautiful. And then you've got the lake back there. So we have a really nice view. This resort is right over by SeaWorld. So it took us about 15 minutes to get back from Epcot when we just came back. So it's not too bad. 30 in traffic with I-4, but that's okay. Here's our nice big bathroom. We have a big jutted tub here. We have a lovely mirror here. And another lovely mirror here. We have also a closet right here in the bathroom, which someone's already put their shoes in. You have the safe in the closet as well, so that's pretty nice. You know, lock up any valuables. Get a little water closet in here, a little hidey hole. This is nice because it has a pocket door, so it shuts. I love that. I do like the 2 separate vanities. I think that's really, really nice to have 2 separate, so you can kind of get ready together, blast some music, have a little vibe set. And then we've got a huge shower, a really, really big shower, shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff here. I like that you have a couple different drawers here too in the vanity. Your complimentary blow dryer, your towels, all those things. Let's see, oh, this is pretty nice. What a lovely feature. The most up close mirror of all time that I will never, ever be looking in. We just got back from Epcot. We're going to unpack our stuff a little bit here. And I think we're gonna head back to the parks a little bit later, but wanted to give you a little room tour at Sheraton Vistana Village. We got a happy little guy with a view of the pool here. Did I miss anything? We've got 2 nightstands also on the sides of the bed.
We got the TV.
Yeah, TV. You have a dresser here with 3 drawers. 2 drawers, 2 drawers. Little room here we got. Nice little suite. I like the kitchen. It's got a good little hangout area. I'm happy with the view as well.
Yeah.
So. And you've got beautiful lighting in this bedroom. Are you kidding? This is gonna be great for my fit checks for the rest of the trip. So for today and tomorrow, you're gonna have beautiful lighting for my fit checks and my get ready with me. I'm gonna take you out on the balcony here. We have a pretty big balcony, and it's nice because it's screened in. You have a fan up here, so it's not super, super hot. You got a little pirate ship situation out there, so something fun for the kids. It looks like it's a 0 entry pool over there too, so that'll be nice with having a little one. Finn's only 2, so he does love a little splash area. That's our room. All right, so tell me how much this cost for this room.
I think we paid about $200 a night.
Okay, so we paid $200 a night for
Yes.
a big 2-bedroom suite. You can't even stay on property in the smallest room for that. Well, you could. With the annual pass discounts and like Disney Plus discounts right now, you can get, I think, All-Star for like $168 a night, but it's so much smaller. Yes, it's a lot closer, obviously, and you have like Skyliner and buses and all those things. So it's nice to have that, but if you're looking for something a little more budget friendly where you can spread out really well, I think this is totally worth it. Personally, would I stay here again? I don't know. If you can request a newer building, I think, yeah, it's cool, especially if you're gonna pop over to like Universal or to SeaWorld or something. I don't recommend going to SeaWorld because we're not about that life, but if you're looking for somewhere to stay that's central to everything, if you're gonna hit like Epic Universe, all that kind of stuff, do it. Only if you're in the newer building. And we're actually right above the marketplace too, aren't we? So we've got the marketplace below us where we can get like breakfast, lunch, I think. It looks like there's a little playground right next to us too. Hold on, I'm just now noticing that. There's a little playground. It's kind of hard to see from here out the window, but you can kind of see that orange jungle gym situation over there. There's some kids running around, so. But yeah, that's it. That's our room here at Sheraton Vistana, and we'll be here tonight and for a little bit of tomorrow. We're really only staying one night in this room. I'll show you too a little bit more up close to the kitchen because I don't think I really did that. You have a coffee maker here. You've got silverware in the drawer, all your plates, bowls, cups, those kinds of things. You have a microwave, a stove, a kettle, toaster, a blender, knives, oven. You do have a dishwasher here. A full-size one, and then you have a full-size fridge. Yeah, actually, you're right. There are ceiling fans in this room. And then you've got your full-size fridge, freezer in here. There are popsicles and our drinks. Let's see, is there anything else? Yeah, more cups and stuff up in the cabinet. All right, we're gonna hit the pool, and we'll catch you guys later. On behalf of the flight crew, thanks for flying with us.